Hey guys, welcome back to King Vlogs, and today the fabulous night has been started. We have been seeing the Polo by Vikram sir, and let's head out to the different zone over here. Most of the cars are parked over here and centers are parked now. So let's see how it goes. I'll show you the cars around. So guys, you saw the lineup. It is quite really very inspiring to many of the enthusiasts that I've gathered. So other guys have pulled up and quite literally you can hear it now. By the way, Sharad has pulled up with his Accord, looking good with that wheels though, and he has himself built this car as per his liking, all of the engine stuff. He's also planning to put in camshafts, upgraded one, of course, so that with the Swift also being loud, you can hear it. So even that Ignis was loud. You can hear it now, and with that polos and everything, everybody was quite literally menacing when they were entering the crowd. So yeah, and guys, here is the Eon, which is supposedly the first Eon to have a turbo, and look at it, it has hood open and hood exit exhaust. Of course you can see it very clearly when I'll show you, with the acrylic spoiler, and sounds really different than a regular Eon, definitely. And look at the spoiler, it's something like that. By the way, Shaker sir, and how's the night, sir?
Good to see you, man. Good to see
Always,
you.
sir, always, sir.
Thank you.
Hope to see you next time in the Del Sol. Okay, so the night has started. Here we can see a Honda City, and it is definitely being loud. And with the So guys, now you are looking at the Gen 2 Mustang. Now looking at it feels really quite a vibe, because You can see the tail lights. The exit of the exhaust is huge as well. So I guess I'll switch the camera now. Yeah. So you can look. Okay, nobody's stopping over here. Somebody's doing wheelie. Somebody's revving. The Mustang is getting unloaded. What is happening right now? So guys, the Pistonwheels gang has pulled up and look at the vibe right now, man. Look at this. This is the Accord. This is the 5 Series by Digvijay. And then comes the Nishay's 3 Series, which is actually an M Sport 3 Series. And I've missed out on the... Oh my god. So Chaitanya is pulling up at the right spot now. I guess he's gonna go do a pull. But I guess his resonator won't allow it. Jokes. But look at this. The Accord has actually a very different color. So I'll show you. This is somewhat a very deep emerald green. And this is whole matte black with a carbon fiber type of hood on the bonnet. And this tiger kind of logo. And what I actually think is this is not the tiger, this is the wolf, and this wolf is inspired by the Pistonwheels logo over here, and really makes it pop out from the other crowd. Look at the 3 Series by Nishay. Nishay has also written his Nish Customs over here with the blue films. I mean, I really didn't want to say it that way, but look at the logo also. He has wrapped it into the body color, sort of camouflaging the logo into the whole theme. Looks really good. And Digvijay's car also looks menacing in the night tail.